Okay guys, welcome back. So I'm going to tell you probably one of the best dry flies or subsurface flies in the world of fly fishing, which is the Shipman's buzzer. So I've been tying loads of them here for myself this morning. Now the hook in the vise is a Kamasan B170 in size 12. I would fish a 12 on the point and a 14 on the dropper. Just going to use a black thread in the uni 80 to tie the fly. So let's come in a couple of mil behind the eye of the hook, get our thread started, remove the waste tag of thread, the rib. I'm going to use a small Opal mirage tinsel for the rib, so I'll just tie this in on the way down, right there, and then we'll bring our thread back up. To give the impression of the shuck on the fly. This is some white para post. I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not, but I have a strand of pearl microflash in between. So just offer that up, and then I just tie this. Make sure it stays on top of the shank of the hook. Okay, and I like to come down past the barb on this wee fly, just to there. Then the body I like to use on the Shipman's a lighter claret, and this is natural seals fur. It's obviously been dyed. The claret, and then you just dub it up. Now you don't have to use para post. You could use white foam. Use any colour you like, really. Get another wee touch of the seals fur. It's just one of them flies. It doesn't really matter which colour. Orange, black, red. They all just work. Right, bring my thread to the front. And what I like to do here is just get a wee drop of rabbit with a UV flash to it. I'll fry it up, and then just come around and constantly stroke this back. That point there, bring that back over. Then we'll come up with a rib. I'll put the seals fur on that loose that I want the rib to bed in to the dubbing. That'll help protect it. And the Opal mirage isn't the most robust, so a couple of turns at the eye of the hook. And then just come in and fold everything back. Just tighten up over the top. Straight in with my whip finishing tool. Before we tighten up, we grab a varnish. Put everything in nice and tight. Just make sure that eye is clean. Then we can trim everything off. Now, some people like these the breathers at the front and the shuck at the back. Really bright. It's really up to yourself, or really long, sorry. It's really up to yourself. What I do is just run about 2 mil or so there. Fluff it out a wee bit. And then watch the same at the back. Then what I like to do is bring the seals fur out underneath with the Velcro, and then bring it all back. And you can sit and knock these up in no time. But it's genuine. It's one of the best. And it really is. Like, it just catches all the time. And like I say, most of you will know the Shipman's buzzer. It's universally known in the fly time world. But like I say, claret's my favourite. Black, probably a close second, but orange, red, olive, any colour you like. So there you go, guys. That's just a wee quick one. So that's the Shipman's buzzer. as always, many thanks for taking the time to view the video. It's greatly appreciated. And if this is the first time watching one of my videos, please consider subscribing. And all being well, I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.